أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Your love is all I need, Allah.
During our previous days, we discussed different one of them was
Metaphor.
what? Metaphor, no? She's moon, he's tiger. Just like other different terminologies,
Yes.
as they have the kinds, same is the case with metaphor. Metaphor also has its kinds. One of the metaphors is extended metaphor. A metaphor that goes several lines or possible the entire length of a word is called clear.
Yes.
Right, sir.
It is found over there, that in different parts of, in the different lines of, in different phrases of the poem. So that is
Yes.
called extended metaphor. Professor Masarat Abbas, Government College, Jorabad, is a bright star shining all the time and helping and guiding everyone. What's clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
And one more kind of the metaphor is implied. What?
Implied.
You can see this yawning. You can
Yes,
see. What does it imply? It implies that I am feeling boredom.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It implies that I am feeling laziness.
Laziness.
It implies that I am not over here, I am somewhere else. You know that there is at the time of marriage over here in this part of the world, when the brides they are asked about acceptance,
Yes.
and they keep quiet.
Silent.
What does it mean?
That we can receive as ready.
Excellent. No, their silence has the implied meaning. What is that? That they are ready. They have no objection.
Yes.
No points clear?
Yes, sir.
This metaphor exists over there, but
Not seen.
Not,
it is not clear as far as words are concerned. But
but we can feel.
we can feel that. Excellent. No points clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
We shall try to practice to find these implied metaphors in different pieces of writing in the days to come.
Okay, sir.
Or I'll show you some examples.
Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great, and would suffice.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days. Trust